I am excited today because we are going to do a brand new paper. Boys and girls watching, we are going to do something brand new. We are going to write numbers in school, and we're going to write our very first number today. What is that number that's a slanted stick, class? One. Boys and girls, you knew that, didn't you? Those of you that are watching. We're going to do number 1. Let's look at it right here. In our last lesson, you got to come, some of you got to come to the board and write the number 1 on the board. Do you see right here? It starts on a red dot and we slant down to the pink carpet. It's so easy. Do you know it reminds me of a fireman? It reminds me how the firemen, when they hear the bell go off, it cling, 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 they know that they have to jump into their fire suits, and they sometimes, if they're in their firehouse, they have to slide down the fire pole to get into their fire truck so that they can go to where the fire is. Well, that's what it reminds me of, sliding down that fire pole. Peter, pointer up, touch my red dot, and slide down the fire pole. Class, stand. I think we better do it while we're standing up so we can slide down the fire pole. Are you ready? Put your pencil or Peter pointer on the red dot and slide down the fire pole. Oh, that was so fun. Way to go. You may be seated. On your paper today, we have a cute little frog. He's waving at you. Wave at our frog. Say hi, Mr. Frog.
Hi, Mr. Frog.
He is so happy. Mr. Hoppy is so happy because he is a frog. And he loves to come to school, and he brought us that new number for us to write today. And we have lots of boxes right here. We have a blue box, and an orange box, and a green box, and a purple box, and my favorite color box. And you're going to have to stay with my words today. Do you think you can be so attentive that you can listen with your brain and be so obedient? What's that word we're learning today?
Obedient.
Obedient. We're learning to be obedient, Kayla. So you're going to have to listen with your ears, my words, so you know what box we're going to be on. Because I only have 2 boxes up here. I don't have all those same boxes like you do. So you're going to have to listen to my words and stay with the teacher so you know where we're at. Let me show you on the board. Oh, Mrs. Stewart needs her chalk. We've been having so much fun on the board using chalk. Look right here. It starts on the red dot, and we're going to slant down the fire pole. Look at that. You can't even tell that I was on the fire pole. I went so slow, and I stayed on the lines, and that's what you're going to do today. I sure like the way Carter has been sitting so still and being so obedient. Carter, come see Miss Stern. Come get a big hug. He has been sitting there so nicely, not wiggling, not playing. Ooh, I love those big bear hugs he gives Mrs. Stewart. Mila, come see Miss Stewart. I need a big bear hug. She is working hard. And boys and girls watching, I'm going to give you a big bear hug so you're ready to do this paper because you've been sitting there so attentive. I can't wait to see how you're going to stay with me on this paper too. Class, stand. Turn your chairs. Turn your chairs. Turn your chairs. Do it fast. Don't be last. Turn your chairs, do it fast. Put your hands in your lap. Nice job. Take out your frog paper. Take out your froggy paper. Boys and girls watching, your on-site teacher has yours. Oh, he's so happy. Look at him just smiling at you. He's ready to work hard. You give him a big smile. I like it. What do frogs like to eat? Do you know?
Bugs.
Bugs. They like to eat bugs and flies, yes.
And spiders eat like chickens.
Yes, exactly. Take out your pencil, check. Exactly. Daddy says, Mommy says, babies will do. Good job. They are in the back seat, ready to go with their helper hand. Your helper hand's in the corner. We're not touching our paper. We're in pencil check. We're in pencil check. Bless you. Go to the blue box. Put your pencil on the red dot in the blue box. We are stopping and
Thinking.
thinking. So are we tracing? No. What box are we in?
The blue.
The blue box. Begin. Slant down the fire pole. And then pencil rest on the froggy. Put right on his hand. Why don't you pencil rest right on his hand? Good job. Eyes up here. I'm going to show you another time on our board right here. We start on the red dot, and I'm going to slant down the fire pole. Look how nice and slow I'm going again. Just like that. Go to the orange box. Put your pencil on the orange box. What box are we on?
Orange.
Orange. We're stopping and thinking. You're not tracing yet. Your helper hand is in the corner. Sit up straight and tall. You still got to work hard. It's just like in writing time. Sit up straight and tall. Begin. Slant down the fire pole. Good job. I like this hard work. What's the next color box?
Green.
Green. Good. You are following directions. You are staying with the teacher. I love this quick obedience and this hard work being so attentive. Put your helper hand in the corner. Put your pencil on the red dot. Begin. Slant down the fire pole. You see how nicely I stayed on that line? Go to the purple box. Is everybody in the purple box? Are your feet right in front of you, sitting down straight and tall? Fix your feet. Good. Helper hand in the corner, Johanna. Good. Oh, I like how you went so slow on that one. Way to go. I'm going to fix this boy's pencil really fast again. There you go. Just like this. You can hold it the same way, like that. There you go. Begin. Slant down the fire pole. And then pencil rest on the hand. Put it right in his hand like you're holding hands with that cute little froggy, and eyes up here. Way to go. I love your hard work. Now, we're going to make our very own. It's going to be so easy. You've been working so hard today, being so attentive. Watch Mrs. Stewart. We're going to start on the red dot, and watch me. I'm going to slant down my fire pole. Do you see how I went slanted? I didn't go straight down. I slanted from the red dot down to the floor of my purple box, but your box is yellow. So you're going to do your yellow box. Put your pencil on the red dot and the yellow box. Red dot and the yellow box. Yeah, you can do it. Start right here, and you're going to go down just like that. Just go, okay? Here we go. Begin. Start at the red dot, slant down, and then pencils to bed. How did you do? Boys and girls watching, show me your paper. Wow, I can see that. We're going to work on those slants, but you're working hard. Let me see. Oh, I didn't say to hold up your paper. I was looking at the boys and girls watching. I'm going to come around and look at your papers in just a minute while you're coloring. Take out your crayons. Take out your crayons, put them on your house. Wow. Look at this girl. She slanted hers. I'm going to have to show the boys and girls watching. Do you see that nice slant? Look at that nice slant. Very nice. Way to go, Kyla. That was a nice slant. Let me see over here. Wow, Angelina, let me show your slant. Look at that slant. Way to go. Those are some nice slants. I like it. Take out your green crayon, check. Do not color yet. Green crayon, check, and eyes on me. Helper hand in the corner. Mommy and Daddy holding on tight. Look at Mrs. Stewart's paper. If I just went like this, is my paper colored? Am I done? No. If I just went like this, is my paper done? No, I got to color in all of my spots. So I'm going to color it all in. Let's see who can do it. Let's see who's going to color in all the white spots today. What does Daddy say? What does Mommy say? Oh, wait, let's try that again. What does Daddy say? What does Mommy say? What do the babies say?
I will open.
There you go. Now you're ready to color. Go ahead and color all in your froggy. Go so slow. We have so much time that you can go slow. Oh, I'm hearing crayons. That must mean you're not taking your time. That kind of makes me sad when I remind you to go slow and then you don't go slow. Go slow. Be obedient. Take your time. Go around those little edges. Make it look pretty. Very nice job. Look at these cute little froggies. I like it. So cute. Where do you think a froggy might live?
On a lily.
On a lily pad, yes.
Or in the water.
In the water, they do. The other day, Mrs. Stewart came to work. I got here really early, and there was a big frog sitting right outside of our door. I think he wanted to come to school. He did. But I said, oh no, Mr. Froggy, you can't come in. School is for people, not for froggies. Yes, Mila?
There's a froggy in the toilet downstairs.
Oh, my stars. That would be really scary, wouldn't it be, to have a frog in your house? Yes, Kyla?
One day I go camping, and it was night, and then when I was going hiking, I saw a frog.
You did. Sometimes you could hear those frogs at night. You can hear them. It almost sounds like they're chirping. Yes.
My brother went to camp with the pine.
He did. Isn't that fun? Isn't it fun to see God's creation outside? It is so much fun. Yes, William?
Every day frogs in my house, and then my mom, she just pushes them out.
She does, so that they don't come in the house. That is so funny. And they like to hop, don't they? They love to hop, and they do. Their favorite thing to eat is flies. We'll talk more about it later, about frogs that you might see at your house. They come in all different colors. Sometimes you see them in their brown.
Some are poisonous.
Yes, that's true. Some are poisonous. But this number, let's talk about our number. What number did we just make? Number 1. And what does it look like? A slanted stick. That's right. Let me make it really hard for you. What number comes after number 1?
2.
Oh, I tried to trick you, but you're too smart. You're just too smart for Mrs. Stewart. You got this. Good job. Oh, you got lots of white spots. Keep coloring. Slow down. Make it pretty. You see how she's slowing down? Taking her time. Take your time. Make it pretty. Great job. How many frogs are on your paper right now? 1. There's 1 frog, and we traced number 1. I like this hard work today. We are doing our very best job. It is fun to do our numbers. We're going to write lots of numbers, boys and girls. We're going to do number 1 and 2 and 3 and all of our numbers as we learn them. We are working hard and doing our best. When we count, we start with what number? 1. So that's why we're learning how to write the number 1 first. And then what number comes next?
2.
And then?
3.
And then?
4.
And then?
5.
5. Good job. Those are the numbers that we've learned so far. I wonder when Button's going to come to school again. What does he bring us? He brings us a new number. So I wonder when he's going to come. He is working hard too. He might be. He just might be. You keep working hard. I'm going to look at these papers here to see how we're coloring so nice and neatly. Oh, I like all this coloring right here. We're doing a great job. I see some slanted ones. I see some nice coloring in all the white spots. We're doing a great job. Yes, very nice. Look at this hard work today. Very nice. Elijah, show the boys and girls your paper. Can you show it to the boys and girls? He's doing a good job, isn't he? Here, hold it up really, hold it up just a little bit longer so that we can see it. Here, like this. Isn't that such a nice job that Elijah's doing? He is doing a great job. Nice work. I like this hard work. Very pretty. Put your paper down, please. All right. Give you about 1 more minute to finish up our paper. You're doing a great job. It is fun to write our numbers. Boys and girls watching, if you're finished, show me your paper. Show the boys and girls your paper. Boys and girls, you look and see how their paper, if they're doing a good job. Give them a great big smile. Oh, good job, Mila. Thank you for smiling at your friend. Nice job. All right, close up your crayon boxes. Slide them inside your desk. Put them inside your desk. Hold up your paper. Let me see. Hold it up. Let me see your paper. Wow, look at all of those beautiful, beautiful number ones. And I love table 1. Look at all those papers colored so neatly. I like it. Way to go. Let me see table 3. Beautiful. And I already saw boys and girls watching. Everybody did a great job today. Put your paper inside your desk. Class, stand. Turn your chair to the front. Oh, Angelina, you are so ready to go. Mila's ready. Kyla, quickly. We're going to do some rickety-tickety. Class, stand. Get out your clappers. Rickety-tickety, clap with me. How many fingers do you see? 5. Clappers up. Clap 5 times. Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clappers up. Rickety-tickety, clap with me. How many fingers do you see?
2.
Count. 1, 2, 3. Clappers up. Clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Clappers up. Say it with me. Rickety-tickety, clap with me. How many fingers do you see? 1. Clappers up. Clap 1 time. Hop like a frog 1 time. Grab 1 fly out of the air and eat it. Oh. Just like a frog. It's so delicious. Great job. Sit down. We had so much fun. What number did we write today, class? 1. Good job. That was fun to write number 1. And number 1 looks like a what? A fire pole or a slanted stick. You have done a very good job today. Keep working hard.